Alright, so if you haven't seen the video where we harvested eggplants and peppers from our garden, we did that about a week and a half ago or so. And we had to because a early freeze was coming, so we had to harvest everything. We got 2 jars of cayenne peppers dried here. We got a rack here. I got our dehydrator. It's almost empty now. So we've been drying these cayenne peppers, and we still have buckets of habaneros, those orange ones. They're extremely hot. But now what we did is, with all the eggplants and the peppers that we had, most of them were Marconi peppers. They're the red peppers, but we had to pick them all. So some are green, some are red, but the green ones are great too. So we got the eggplants and peppers, and we ended up freezing the majority of the peppers, but we also made some special sauce that my wife makes, and it's a pepper and eggplant sauce, and it has other spices in it. So let me show you the process and how we do it.
All right, the first thing we want to do is bake the peppers and the eggplants in the oven at 400 Fahrenheit. This is how they look when they're done. There should be some burnt areas on the peppers, but they should be well done. The eggplants, you want to cut them in half and put the cut side down on the cooking sheet. And this is how they look when they are done. They should be very soft, not firm, like you see here. And on the peppers, when they're done, any burnt area, if you want to take that off, that's fine, and put the peppers in the food processor. Now scooping the eggplants out with a spoon works best. Now you do the same thing, you put the eggplants in the food processor. And you chop them up until they become smooth and creamy. And that's what it should look like. And the peppers, the same deal. And as far as texture, it should be nice and thick. Now you want to add garlic. We have fresh basil that we put in here. As far as quantity, you put in what you like. Now in the pan, we have the peppers and the eggplants mixed together. And now we're adding a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. And now we're adding 1/3 cup of olive oil. Now we take the basil and garlic that we chopped up in the food processor and put it in the sauce. And now you want to salt it to taste. Here we put in about a teaspoon and mix it up real well. And now the sauce is done. We are ready to go.
All right, so that is it. My wife and mother-in-law have been working feverishly in this kitchen trying to get the sauce done because we had a huge harvest. We had a wheelbarrow full of eggplants. We had 2 big containers like this, about that deep, full of peppers. So they've been cutting up peppers, they've been cooking the eggplants, and the Marconi peppers for this is what we're using. But you can use whatever pepper you want. And we have some little spicy ones in there too, and it just makes it that much better. So just take your sauce and mix it with your favorite pasta. Man, this is absolutely out of this world. I love it. All right, guys, I'm gonna put the recipe in the description under the video. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Yeah, this is really good.